Hi everyone, welcome to Ron Code's Live. In this video, we are going to dive into three essential array methods in JavaScript: map, sort, and filter. Let's start with the map. This method allows us to iterate through an array, transform each array in a specific way. Here is an example of that. As you can see, the map method has transformed each element in the numbers array into a new value that is twice the original number. Next, we have the sort method. The sort method allows us to sort the elements in an array. By default, it sorts element in ascending order. Here is an example. And here is our expected output. We can also specify a custom sorting function if we want to sort the elements in a specific way. We will see that in another session of ours. Finally, we have the filter method. Now this filter method allows us to filter out elements from an array based on a condition. Here is an example. And here is our expected output. As you can see, the filter method has filtered out all the odd numbers from the numbers array. And this is for this video. I hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to stay updated with the latest content from Ron Code's Live. Thank you.